Hey team, I'm Blake and I am in the process of teaching myself a range of AI and automation skills. I think it's going to be really beneficial both for my own career and the job that I'm in and just the future of kind of everything. There's a huge growth in AI tech and it's almost weekly that a new model or a new piece of tech is dropping, and it's quite hard to often find practical applications that can benefit not only yourself but possibly your business, your work and your job. Chatbot is really smart, however it doesn't have that specific context required to give very accurate responses based on your personal circumstances or your business in a lot of cases. For example, when I ask it for the rental law in New Zealand, it can often get things wrong, mixing with Australia, other countries, or even just completely hallucinating things. This can be really easily improved by adding additional knowledge to the AI that it can specifically reference when asked questions. This is going to be a really quick video showing you how you can set up a custom AI chatbot for free with no code on a free trial from Zapier. The real world problem that I'm trying to actually tackle by this is, as a regular person, understanding New Zealand rental law is pretty difficult. It's a 257 page document, and understanding all the fine, nifty, shifty kind of parts of that is really difficult. And I want to make this a lot easier by having a really interactive chatbot that can help answer my basic questions if I need to know these sort of things. So we can start by looking over at Zapier. It is a software that you can have a free trial of, but it does have a paid version to have all the features monthly. But we're just going to be using the free trial just to give this an example. It's something that you could automate. Once you sign up, you can just go in here, sign up with an email or Google, and you can get to a page like this. So they've only recently added this chatbot feature on the left side over here, and we can go into that. What we're going to do is make a new chatbot, so we can build your first chatbot. For this one, we're going to give it a name of Tenancy Law Advisor NZ. So you don't have to put any credit card information in to get this free trial as well. It's just your account and email, so that's also a benefit. You don't forget and then get charged. Yep, so we're on that free trial. That's sweet. So we get this chatbot window here where it's already got some objectives and all that kind of stuff we can play around with. The thing that we want to add, because we want it to be specific to tenancy law in New Zealand, we can go over to the knowledge section here, and we've got 3 different ways of adding different knowledge sources. So if I want to add the tenancy law in New Zealand, I will search tenancy law New Zealand, and we'll go onto this link here, and to here, and where can we download it? Download it, easy. So I've already downloaded it there before. Come and upload a file, and we will drag it into here. Easy as that. It's now added. Click add source. It will take a little bit of time to actually understand that information there and break it down into tokens. That's all sweet. While that's going there, we can have a look back at the directive. This is also known as a system prompt. It's how we want the AI agent to talk, respond, the information we want it to give. It's kind of the instructions behind the agent itself. So in here, some of the rules. Most of these rules are pretty sweet and generalized, that you always want to make sure that it uses the knowledge source, even if they think they know the answer, so there's no hallucinations, all that kind of thing. Styles, pretty sweet, and objective. This is the one we need to change specific to our use case. So, for example, you are a Q&A AI bot that is tasked with helping users understand New Zealand tenancy law. You can do it as detailed as you want and to your specific circumstances. For this example, we're just going to keep it like that. So we're just going to keep waiting for this to process here. You can go into style, choose images, icons, all that kind of thing like that. And this is our little test window. Once that all trains up through, we can also go into embed, and if you want to add it to your own applications, your own websites, your own apps, all that kind of thing, there's direct script code here that you can just copy and paste. If you don't want to do it the coding way, there is a live chatbot web address, which again you can update. And so here we go, tenancy, and this is something that anyone on the web can go and ask. One cool thing about this is it automatically has suggested questions down here, and as you can see, it's about the services that you offer and products, so it's not quite completed the knowledge sources. So I'll get back to you once that's done. Sweet, so I just realised I didn't actually hit save on the side there, so it was still having the previous objective. The knowledge is now all loaded in, and we can see here some of the things that it can do. Explain tenancy rights, address rent issues, and discuss termination, all of that kind of thing. So this is where you kind of go and test it. You want to obviously make sure that it is using the correct knowledge that you've provided it to answer correctly and not using any other external knowledge. We can add some of these little prompts here that it gives, and it will respond. From my own testing, I don't hugely understand the New Zealand tenancy law, but from what I do know, it is answering relatively accurately. And so then from there, again, you can go back onto this actual website and have a look, and anyone can go on there and actually ask your AI bot questions, or again, you can embed it into your own apps there. Really easy to use. Give it a go yourself, chuck in your own knowledge. Thank you very much.